You have 5 seconds to remember the location of the hidden items. Look carefully. Where is the Mountain Dew? Where is the Sprite? Where is the Pepsi? Please like if you get first 3 answers correct. Where is the Fanta? Where is the Coca-Cola? What is missing? If you remember, write in the comments and I will like it.